Why your commercial cleaning bids keep getting rejected and how to fix it. Struggling to win commercial cleaning contracts? In this video, I'll break down the biggest reasons why your bids are getting rejected and exactly how to fix them. If you're tired of losing contracts and want a proven strategy for bidding successfully, this video is for you. Drop a comment if you struggled with bidding before. I'd love to help. Are you sending your bids out and hearing crickets? Or worse, getting rejected with no explanation? You're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the top reasons commercial cleaning bids are rejected, and I'll show you exactly how to fix them so that you can start winning contracts. Let's get into it. I'm Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and I help cleaning business owners like you learn how to bid properly and win contracts. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button because I drop valuable bidding strategies every day. Now let's talk about the problem. Why your bids are getting rejected? Well, one of the reasons is your pricing is off. If your bid is too high, clients think you're overpriced. If it's too low, they assume you'll cut corners. You'll need a strategy pricing formula that reflects cost, profit, and market rates. We'll talk more on that in a second. Reason number 2, your proposal is unprofessional. Are you submitting a one-page generic quote? Now, that's a red flag too. Clients want detailed, polished proposals. They want to see the value, not just a number. And when you create your proposal detailed like that, it says a lot for your business. And reason 3, you didn't tailor your bid. You are sending the same bid template to every client. That won't work either. You must address their specific needs and concerns. Show them that you were actually listening. Now, I don't know how many times I say that. Tailor your proposal to sound like the client. And reason 4, you didn't follow the bidding instructions. Now, this is one of the fastest ways to get rejected. Many companies, they'll give you clear guidelines. Miss one of them and you're out. Reason 5, you're not following up. Most businesses don't award contracts on the first bid. The magic is in the follow-up. If you're not checking in, someone else is, and they will win that contract. So, some of the solutions on how you can fix these mistakes. Number 1, price smartly. Use a structured pricing formula that will include your labor, supplies, overhead, and profit. If you need help with that, I have a bidding workbook that walks you through it step by step that I created for my program. And number 2, improve your proposal. Your proposal, like you went on a walkthrough and they saw you, but your proposal really represents your business. So make your proposal stand out. Include your company background, scope of work, and value added services. I teach this in my program. So if you need help, let's talk. Then number 3, customize each client. Address their pain points directly. Show them how you solve their specific cleaning challenges. And you want to, like I said, you want to be like a partner with your potential clients. So you want to make sure that let them know that you are listening and that you detail everything specific where there's no misunderstanding. And then number 4, follow bid instructions. Read every detail and listen and check double check your bid before you send it out. Feel confident. Number 5, feel confident with your follow-up. Send a polite but persistent follow-up email or call within 3 to 5 days. It works. Now, the Clean Guru app that I use has a follow-up template already there. So listen, this you gotta really work on your bidding proposal, how it looks to the client. So if this video helped you, hit the like button and drop a comment below. What's your biggest struggle with bidding? Book a one-on-one consultation with me. Subscribe for more cleaning business tips, and I'll see you in the next video.